Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Jyoti Gaur and today we will discuss about economy and types of economy. So, first we will discuss about what is economy. Economy एक छोटा सा वर्ड है बट इसका मीनिंग बहुत बड़ा है. Here economy system basically determines who has control over the factors of production. It includes production, resource allocation and distribution of goods and services. And the society or government of the country organize and distribute these available resources, services and goods across a geographic region, or we can say in a country. So, in short, we can say economy is sum of all transaction taking place in an area, or we can say in a country, which is regulated by the government. Next, type of economic system. As we know, there are many types of economies around the world. Each has its own distinguished characteristics, although they all share some basic features, but each economy functions based on a unique set of conditions and assumptions. Economic system can be categorized into three main types. First is capitalist economy, or we can say free market. Second is socialist economy, and third is mixed economy. So, we will discuss first type of economy, that is capitalist or free market economy. Here, capitalism or capitalist economy is referred to as the economic system where the factors of production such as capital goods, labor, natural resources and entrepreneurship are controlled and regulated by private businesses. Means in a capitalism or capitalist economy, the prices for goods and services are self-regulated by the open market and by the consumers. In this type of market, the laws and forces of supply and demand are free from any intervention by the government or any other authority. Here, in this economy, the means of productions are privately owned. By means of production here means everything, land, tool, technology and so forth, that is needed to produce goods and services. In this type of economy, businesses are trying to attract more demand for their products in many ways, like lowering prices, creating better product or advertising. So, in short, we can say capitalist economy or free economy, there is no government intervention in this type of economy, and it is also known as free market economy. Now comes to features of capitalism or free market economy. First is private property. Here, private property means it is always having the institution of private property. Means an individual can accumulate property and uses it according to his will. Government protect his right to property, but after the death of every person, his property goes to his successors. Second is freedom of enterprise. In this type of economy, every person is free to start any enterprise of his choice. People can follow occupations of their ability and taste. Third feature of this type of economy is profit motive. In this economy, the desire to earn profit is the most important inducement for economic activity. In this type of economy, All entrepreneurs try to start those industries or occupation in which they hope to earn the highest profit. We can say that profit motive is the soul of capitalist or free market economy. Next is free trade. Free trade here means in this system there exist low tariff barriers that promote international trades. So there is a facility of free trade. Next is government interference. In this capitalist economy, there is no government interference, and this is a big feature of this economy. Here, government does not interfere in the daily activities of the business. The customer and producers are free to make their own decisions regarding any product or any service. Next is freedom of ownership. In this economy, an individual can accumulate any amount of property and use it according to his will. Even after death, the same property is passed on to the successor by the right of inheritance. Last, flexibility in labor market. Flexibility in labor market means there is flexibility in hiring and firing of the workforce. Next is advantages of capitalist economy, or we can say free market economy. First is more efficiency. Means in this type of economy there is more efficiency in the economy as the products are produced according to the demand of the consumers. Second is lesser government intervention. Means there is lesser government intervention or bureaucratic interference. Last is discourage discrimination. Means in this type of economy it discourages any form of discrimination so that the trade can take place between two parties without any barriers. Disadvantages of capitalist economy or free market economy. First is inequality in the income. Here there is a drawback of this economy that this economy leads to inequalities in the income. Monopoly. In this type of economy, firm can get monopoly over workers and consumer because there is no government interference. So in this type of economy, firms has get monopoly over these workers and consumers. Last, environmental problems means here all the firms has a high profit earning motive, and this leads to using resources in such a way that it leads to environmental problems because they are destroying the natural balance. Here are some examples of capitalist economy, free market economy, that is here it means कि किन किन कंट्रीज़ में आपकी कैपिटलिस्ट इकनॉमी और फ्री मार्केट इकनॉमी अप्लाई होती है, लाइक हांगकॉन्ग, यूनाइटेड अरब एमिरेट्स, सिंगापुर, न्यूजीलैंड, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कनाडा, स्विट्ज़रलैंड, UK and US. So further topic to be continued in next video. Thanks.